Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly Musart, and I'm the owner of a company called BU LLC, spelled BEEYOU LLC. So on this channel, I'm going to be unboxing my tarot and oracle cards. I will also be doing rock hunting and geos hunting in Kentucky and some other ones in Ohio. So that's more to come as it gets warmer. That's what I'm going to be doing. So as it's getting cooler and colder, I have a large collection of oracle and tarot decks. So that is what I'm featuring here. So if you've ever wanted to look at some really interesting things, some really rare ones that I have, which is what I'm showing today, or if you're just interested in like tarot, as a whole, you could definitely probably find one card on my channel that really speaks to you. Alrighty, so, and as always, if you're interested in tarot cards or oracle cards, you can hop onto my Etsy account, and that's under Kelly, Kelly, BEEYOU, all one word, and you should be able to find my store. And I have collector editions of tarot and oracle there too, and some one-of-a-kind sun catchers that I make, and a lot of other things on there. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that out. I'll also put it in my description, my names, and so you can find it. So today, this is actually a rare deck. This is a first edition from 1997. I found this a couple years ago at Half Price Books, and I actually paid $75 for it. And if you can see that right there, it was only $29.95 when it first came out. But again, this is a first edition. This is a really cool and unique deck. The reason is there's only 26 cards here, but they have special inks, so you have to actually keep these in a dark, kind of cool place. If not, it will fade the colors as we go through them. So that's really interesting. They tell you that right here on the inside where the cards lay that goes in the box. And yeah, 1997, you actually called people back then, and you actually had free catalogs back then too. But yeah, so here's the box right here. The thing here, that what this comes with is this really nice guidebook that is huge. I think it's like 300 pages. There's so much information in here. Hold on, I'm checking. I think it is. It might be over 300. 262. 262. So yeah, 262. And like I said, this is not a small guidebook. It is very long. It's as big as the box. So yeah. That is the guidebook, and like I said, tons of information in here. I just started reading parts of this. I've picked it up and played with it for a little bit, and then I put it down and picked it back up. Then I thought, hey, why not do a YouTube video on it? So why not? Here it is. Alright, so one thing I thought was really interesting real quick before we go into the cards is like, look at this, printed in the USA. You hardly see that anymore. But the actual book has its own price, which is interesting. I don't know if I've ever noticed that before. But let's look at these amazing 26 cards. So, if anyone knows Ganesh, this is Ganesh right here. Ganesh is all about like abundance. And he's just kind of like a Though card. Hold on, let me show you the back pages, the back of the cards. Alright, so here's the back of the cards. They all have the same symbol on it. They're square, if you can tell. They're square. So that, again, is pretty interesting. He calls them flashcards, not like oracle or tarot. But anyway, so you just get this silver Ganesh here. And then here comes the cards. So there are just shapes, but they represent fire, earth, air, water, and ether. So each one of these represents something, and so does what it's on. Or, I'm sorry, the color. The color means something as well. Yeah, so there's a lot of meanings going on in this, and the camera kind of doesn't really do this justice because this is more like more neon than what's picking it up, but that's okay. But yeah, you'll notice the shapes. And the actually opal, that was ether. There was nothing in the purple. That's actually ether. I'm pretty sure this is earth, is square, and the triangle is fire. And the circle is water. So the half crescent moon, I think, is air. But yeah, so you have it on this neon green, and then you switch, and the colors change. Now you got like a neon orange. Then you have this blue, and that's a circle, right? And then, so now the circle here represents water. So if you notice, the yellow was all about ether because everything was on the purple. So now this is more water and then ether on top of it. And then you have this orange as well. So it's really neat, these cards. Very vibrant. So that's the pattern. And this whole deck was in really good condition. I didn't know it was a first edition. Till I took it home and opened it and then realized it. Alright, so now we're on fire, right? Because fire is just a triangle, so it's representing. This is fire element with green here. I would say it picked up the green quite well. And then now you're going to have water and fire. Water on fire. Okay. And then you have earth. But I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be, yeah, just like a triangle. You have earth here. Or, sorry, that was air. Oh, boy. That's air. This is earth. The square. On fire. So, and then this is ether on fire. So, pretty interesting how they kept the colors. So you go through each of the elements, the 5 elements. So here's just normal earth. And then I'm pretty sure this might actually go this way. Let me see. And then if you noticed all the different elements as well. That's pretty neat. But yeah, I think it's supposed to go this way. But, yep, it is. So this one's supposed to go this way. Half crescent moon. Then you have it half crescent moon and fire is on it. But yeah, if you see the pattern, that's what's going on. And this is like a very nice dark black. Kind of looks like someone smiling with one tooth, huh? Then we move in to earth. So then earth is on this gorgeous purple violet color. And then it represents the square and yellow. So the colors doesn't change. And then that's ether. So yeah, it's quite interesting, the patterns. That's actually supposed to be that way. And then this is the last one. Alright, and that's my unboxing video, everyone. Thanks for watching. As always, please like and subscribe to my channel for me. That way more people know that I'm on here doing unboxing Oracle and Tarot cards decks. And if there is an Oracle or Tarot card that you want me to feature in my upcoming video, just in the comment section, give me the name. Excuse me, the name and who's it from. And I'll check, and if it's one that I have, I will feature it on my next video for you. All right, everyone, take care. I will talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.